You okay, buddy? Are you okay? You're a butt. You're a butt. Yeah, you're a butt. You're very beautiful, though. You're a butt. I see. I see what's going on. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. It's Flower. I think that's your name. Oh my gosh, you are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you are so pretty. Hi, pretty bird. Hi. Okay. All right, all right. You're so pretty. You're a pretty birdie. You're a pretty birdie. Birdie, birdie. You gonna come through? Huh? You coming through? You gonna come through? You thirsty? Are you thirsty? Hi! Hi, Tater Tot. Why aren't you so tiny? Tiny, tiny Tater Tot. Teeny, tiny Tater Tot. Greasy, grimy grater. Greasy, grimy gopher guts. There we go. I knew there was a way to say it. Are you coming in here, hon? Hmm? Let's see what we got going out here. It's a mess. 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 Hi, Flower. Oh, boy. Yeah. Yesterday when I cut my finger, I just set my hand down, and I don't know if it's part. I just sliced it right up with that rusty spot. Hi. How are you guys doing? Hi. You're a handsome boy. You're a handsome boy. And you're a handsome boy. Flapjack, Tater Tot, Charlie Brown. No, you're not Charlie Brown. There's Charlie Brown. Here, let's zoom in on Charlie Brown. Hi, baby goat. You're not a baby goat, but... yeah. You are a four-horned girl, I think. I think those are, yep, those are four horns, all right. Nice, Diva. Diva, 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 Diva. Are you itchy, you poor thing? Want me to put some stuff on you, make you feel better, huh? No? Okay. Hi, you guys. I'm fine. Meh, Tater Tot. Diva, Diva, darling, Diva, darling. Uh-huh. There's Charlie Brown. There's Lobster Claw. See, it's so hard to... Lobster Claw, Charlie Brown, Charlie Brown. Hi, darling. Hi, Ritz. Hi, Charlie Brown. You guys are getting to be sheep. You're no longer lambs. You're sheep. Hi, lady. Oh my gosh. This chicken we got in 2015. She was a year old at the time. Let's go see what's going on with this girl. How are you doing? How are you doing? Oh, you're all hot. Are you going to have babies soon? What is that big old lump right there, huh? What's that big old lump? Is that a baby sticking out? Is that a baby sticking out the side of you? You're okay. Oh, no, that was just your thing. Well, you are definitely puffy. You are definitely have quite the udder. You've sunken in quite a bit. Can I feel your tail end? Aw, you're a good girl. Hi there. Hi. And you're filling in like egads. Look at that. Not quite as puffy though. Let's see how things are going over here. Everybody stares at goat butts, goat butts, goat butts. Hi. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. How you doing? Yeah, you're a good girl. You are a good girl. Can I say hi to you? I know you like that spot. I'd like to say hi. You poor thing, it's so hot. You shouldn't really be feeling too hot, though. Can I say hi? Aw. I just like you, you know? I just like to say hi. Okay, you do you. Not quite there yet, but getting close. Uh-oh. Oh, it's all good. She's looking at that chicken going, what the heck? The heck is that chicken doing? She's looking at the other goats. You ever seen a chicken like that before? You ever seen a chicken like that before? I have never seen a chicken like that before. Look at that chicken. That is a crazy looking chicken. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's okay. She's not going to attack you. Are you frightened of the chicken? Are you frightened of the chicken? Hi, chicken. Hi, darling. Hi. You're such a funny chicken. You're a very beautiful girl, though. Are you going to jump through? Here, why don't you walk with me? Let's walk this way. Walk this way. Walk this way. Whatever. It was very good. Are you coming? You're going for a walk with me. That's like so cute. That's like sweet. Coming for a walk with me? Yeah? Yeah? Coming for a walk with me? Yeah? Cool. Let's go over here. You can come in if you want. You're less likely to get lost in here, I think. Did you want to come in? Walk this way. Are you coming? Huh? You got to kind of do it yourself, though. I can't do it for you. Come here. Come here. You're such a silly girl. You're such a silly girl. That's how the other ones do it. They go under. Do you want me to open the gate for you? I can. You won't be here to... You gonna come through? You coming through? Are you coming through? No? You coming? You coming through? Are you coming through? Oh, of course. Of course. Of course, that's what you do. Of course. Now what are you going to do, huh? Huh? Yeah, what you doing now? You going to walk with me again? Your chicken takes walks. You don't even need a leash, do you? You're a funny one. You're a funny one. You're a funny one. Hi, baby. Oh my gosh, what a weirdo. Weirdo, weirdo. Weirdo alert. Weirdo alert. Weirdo alert. You want to go check out the mound? Huh? All kinds of bugs. Hi, girls. Hi. 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 Okay. Okay. You're so pretty. You're Grizz and you're pretty. Hi, Grizz. Hi, Grizz. Uh-oh. Hi, Grizz. Hi. Hi, Grizzy. See, those are nice horns. Yes. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Hey, Grizz. Hi, guys. Oh, see, there's Flapjack. And Domino. And the pirate. With his pirate face. Pirate face. You have such a pirate face. You do. You are such a pirate. Huh. I better go in. I'm going to get burned. You're doing fine, baby girl. Yeah, you are. You have a pirate face. Look at the pirate face. Pirate face. I got to go in. I got work to do. Work to do. I love my babies. Look at that baby right there. Where'd he go? There he is. She is. It is. I think that's Penny. Is that Penny? No, that's not Penny. I don't know which one. There's a chicken visiting that goat, sheep, lamb thing, whatever. You guys are just getting to be adults. You are getting to be adults. Hi, darling. Hi. Who else is talking to me? I heard a cat. Thought I heard a cat. Guess not. Aw, that's, I know who that is. That's Ritz Bits. Or Bits Ritz, really. Hi. Hi. Hi there. Hi, Linus. And who are you? Let's see. Who are you? Which one are you? Let's see. Oh, that's Tater Tot, I think. Is that Tater Tot? It is Tater Tot. Ah, you're bigger than Linus. Just a little bit. Still, you're a midget. You're a midget girl. Linus and Tater Tot. Hi, Linus. Hi, Tater Tot. Hi, Domino. Hi, Charlie Brown. Hi, gorgeous. Oh, man, that is Grizz. He's beautiful. Grizz is beautiful. Ritz is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love the pirate look. You're so gorgeous. You are a gorgeous beast. You're a gorgeous beast. Okay, I'm going to go in. You're a pretty girl. Boy, what are you? Wait, hold on. Who are you? Oh, are you Penny? No, you're Domino. Hi, Domino. 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 Oh, you guys are all hot. Is it Flower, the big poofy head one? Calliope, sorry. I was close. Calliope is in here now, right now, somewhere. She was wanting to get in, so I walked her down to the gate, and I said, look, you can go underneath here. And she just stared at it. So I'm like, fine, you want me to open the gate? So I did, and then she went under it. As soon as I opened it. I don't know where she went, though. She was wandering around. Oh, okay, well, that's fun, too. But I just figured she's less likely to get herself completely lost in here than she would be up there. But I wanted you to know where I'd left her in case. So, anyway.
This one's trying to find a place to lay her first egg.
Cool.
She just started singing her egg song.
Ah, so you're keeping an eye on that. Cool.